Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making an arch card. These dies here are from Craft, and you can make actually a card, little pockets with it as well. It comes in the arch itself, and then you've got the side pockets or the side flaps with the layering piece. So you get a big piece and a smaller piece. It looks really good if you lay them all together, but we're not going to use that in that purpose. And it also comes with pockets for the base, but I won't be using that, and it comes with a tag. I will just be using it for to make a card. I will later on make something to kind of feature this die in completeness, but today is just a quick card that I'll be sending over to the hospital for little girls who are in need of a nice cute card. And this is the one that I'll be using. It's Hero Arts Thinking of You. I just use the dies, and here's the actual die. But here are the pieces that we'll be using. Here's the main arch, and here's the layering piece that goes with it. Paper I use are from Echo Park. Just really pretty colors I really like. And then here are the two side arches that we'll put in, and then you've got the layering pieces for those, and then of course the back piece as well. Okay, so now that we have all of that, let's get started. envelope. And you can mail it. So, or in my case, when I give it to the hospital, they can have and display it this way. So really cool, really simple, really easy. This die set, again, I used it for a different purpose. You can definitely, like I said, I will create more with this one in the near future to use all the pockets or use all the dice that go with it and kind of give you a different version of it. I used it as a card maker. I used it for card making purposes, but definitely is meant to be used for other purposes as well. So here is the card that we just made pretty quickly and pretty easy to make, and hopefully you guys liked it. And they can do their inscription here, and there you go. Very pretty and easy, huh? Hopefully you guys liked it. Thank you guys. I'll leave the link below for this particular die for you guys to get a hold of if you want. And I'll see you next week. Have a good week, guys. Bye.